This is TCANG Electronics, a 3,000 square meter smart manufacturing base. TCANG Electronics, an industry leader with 15 years of expertise in developing and manufacturing POS terminals. We are writing the global chapter of China's intelligent manufacturing. TCANG Electronics, China's most competitiveness manufacturer of metal cash registers, has an annual production capacity exceeding 80,000 POS terminals. We maintain a rapid R&D pace of launching 3 new products annually, obtaining multiple design patterns. In the production process, we adhere to advanced manufacturing techniques. Die casting machines inject molten metal into molds, creating a single panes, high-strength casting that combines efficient heat dissipation with impact resistance. High-precision die casting ensures dimensional consistency across every bench of casings, reducing assembly stress and enhancing the structural stability of POS terminals. We utilize advanced CNC machining to cut components to exact specifications, machining aluminum alloy frames with tolerance of 0.01 millimeter. This position ensures perfect alignment of critical components, like display bezels and snap fight connectors. By using 3D inspection equipment to inspect each product components individually, and rigorously comparing the point count with the standard drawings, the finished product achieved zero tolerance. We customize an ERP system as the digital engine for order visualization. The moment a customer places an order, the ERP system instantly activates intelligent responses. The orders are automatically converted into production instructions as the factory simultaneously receives the task. Customers can check progress in real time, as transparently as checking logistics. Production data is visualized with real-time updates on key metrics like yield rate, on-time delivery rate, and work-in-progress inventorying. We conduct strictly quality inspections on our products, including 12 to 24-hour aging tests and 3 rounds of quality control processes. Each cash register featuring high durability, premium appearance, and precision assembling stands up to rigorous inspection. This is the ultimate interpretation of reliable biotechnology to build bridges of trust with global customers. We firmly believe that innovation is the starting point of collaboration, and integrity is the cornerstone of mutual success. TCANG Electronics looks forward to partnering with you to usher in a new era of smart commerce with skin-compliant and cost-effective terminal solutions.